Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now tap on Advanced Features and scroll down again. Choose one-handed mode. Activate it by clicking on the switcher next to Use one-handed mode. Now scroll down and pick one of the options to reduce display size with. I will go with button, so I have to click on this option and double tap Home button. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can turn it off by clicking on the black area. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!